India is not just a country. It is a living story of values, culture, and unity. This story is told through our national symbols, which remind us who we are and what we stand for. Our national flag has 3 colors. Saffron stands for courage, white for peace and truth, and green for growth. The Ashoka Chakra reminds us to move forward on the path of righteousness. Our national emblem is the lion capital of Ashoka. The 4 lions stand for power, courage, pride, and confidence. The words Satyameva Jayate mean truth alone triumphs. It reminds us to always speak and stand for the truth. Our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, unites every Indian. It reminds us that we are one nation, beyond language and region. We stand in respect when it is played. Our national song is Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram means, I bow to thee, Mother. It expresses love and devotion to our motherland. The song celebrates India's beauty and strength. Our national animal, the tiger, represents strength and bravery. It reminds us to protect wildlife and forests. A strong nation protects its natural heritage. Our national bird, the peacock, is known for its beauty and grace. Its colorful feathers reflect India's rich culture. It represents pride and elegance. The lotus is our national flower. It grows in muddy water but blooms clean and beautiful. It teaches us to rise above difficulties. It is a symbol of hope and purity. Our national tree, the banyan tree, lives for many years. Its wide branches give shelter to many. It represents unity, strength, and long life. The Ganga, our national river, is a lifeline for millions of people. It supports farming, culture, and daily life. The river symbolizes purity and nourishment. National aquatic animal is the Ganga river dolphin. It lives in clean rivers. It shows the importance of protecting our water bodies. Healthy rivers mean healthy life. Our national heritage animal, the elephant, represents wisdom, strength, and dignity. It has played an important role in India's history and culture. Protecting elephants protects our heritage. The king cobra is the national reptile. It is powerful and unique. It reminds us that every creature has a role in nature. Respecting wildlife keeps nature balanced. Our national fruit is the mango. Mango is called the king of fruits. It is loved across India for its taste and nutrition. It represents abundance and prosperity. All these national symbols tell the story of India. They teach us courage, truth, harmony, and respect for nature. When we respect our symbols, we respect our nation. Jai Hind.